Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
So now, then in the following ayahs in Surah Al-Ma'idah 5 and ayah 46, وَقَفَيْنَا عَلَىٰ آثَارٍ بِعِيسَى بْنِ مَرْيَمَ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ وَآتَيْنَاهُ الْإِنْجِيلَ فِيهِ هُدًى وَنُورٌ وَمُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. And we made the following over the effects with Isa, Jesus the son of Maryam, Mary, that is between his two hands. And we gave him Injil, the gospel, the good news. In it is guidance and light, and confirming from At-Tawrah, the law, that is between his two hands, and a guidance and a sermon for Muttaqin, those who guard. Now in the following of the prophets that came, Jesus, peace be upon him, and over the effects of the prophets, that's mentioned previously, all the prophets were governing from the Torah. Now Isa Islam also came, and he came and he confirmed the Torah. He came, that was confirming from a Torah the law. He did not brought something new, he just confirmed the Torah that existed before. The Torah means the law of the book of the Quran. Torah is the law of the book of the Quran. Isa Islam, peace be upon him, came and confirmed the Torah, the law of the book of the Quran. Torah means the law. If the Isa Islam came, he confirms any law of the ayah of the Quran, any law of the Quran. Isa Islam came to confirm the same law. And when he gave a sermon of the law, is Injil, the good news. Remember, listen to me very carefully. The Torah was there before, in the book, the law. And Isa, peace be upon him, came and he spoke the law, means to confirm the Torah, the law was within the book. So he was confirming the Torah, the law from the Quran. So this was a sermon given by Jesus, peace be upon him. And this is a guidance, وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. It was a guidance and a sermon to those who guard, not the Christians of the world. Not the Christian label followers of the Bible. Not the Christians of the Bible. Because I'm talking about the Isa of the Quranic ayahs. So you must make notes what I'm saying. So further ayah says, Ma'idah 47 says, وَلْيَحْكُمْ أَهْلُ الْإِنْجِيلِ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فِيهِ وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْفَاسِقُونَ. And let the Ahl al-Injil, or the people of the Injil, govern with what Allah has revealed, and those who do not govern with what Allah has revealed, they are the fasiqun, those who are liberals. Now in the further I say, وَلْيَحْكُمْ أَهْلُ الْإِنْجِيلِ. So, and let the Ahl al-Injil, the people of Injil or the good news or the gospel, should govern with what Allah has revealed. Who are the people of Injil, the gospel? Can anybody tell me? Huh? No, the previous ayah, what does the previous ayah say? Look at the previous ayah. Just last word. Muttaqin. You know, the previous ayah is telling us that what Atayna al-Injili fihi hudam wa nur, yeah, it's what he says. And what he says? Wa hudam wa ma'idatan lil muttaqin. So the muttaqin people, the taqwa people, are the people of Injil. Those who guard. Dhalikal kitab la rayba fi hudan lil muttaqin. That this is a book does not have a doubt to those who guard. Ahlul Injil are the people of Injil, the gospel are the people of the Quranic gospel I am talking about. Remember, when I see the Injil, I translate into gospel in the other language. Well, it means good news. I am not talking about the gospel according to Mark, gospel according to Matthew, gospel according to Luke, and gospel according to John. I am not talking about that. I am talking about Ahlul Injil of the Quranic ayahs. Remember this. You must listen to me very distinctly and clearly what I am saying. I said Ahlul Injil mentioned the Quranic ayat. On the previous context of this ayat is the Muttaqeen. The people who guard themselves are the Ahlul Injil, are the people of the Injil, the gospel of the good news. These are the people who are Muttaqeen. They have to govern with what Allah has revealed. in the Torah and in the Gospel. So they are the muttaqeen, those who guard. And who do not govern. وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْفَاسِقُونَ. And who do not govern with what Allah has revealed, they are the fasiqun, those who are liberals.